Assalamualaikum, this is Haris bin Tariq from CSS Factory, and today I'm going to answer the most commonly asked question, that is, which optional subjects should I choose? Okay, the first thing to remember is choose subjects, or try choosing subjects with overlapping knowledge to help you prepare in an easier way. For instance, if you choose international relations, it helps you in writing an English essay. It helps you in current affairs and to some extent Pakistan affairs as well. Then people who say high scoring subjects and trends, and don't go with that. I'll tell you why. CSS examination is not certified to be meritorious or full of standards, so just try to remember this. People with 98 percentile in GRE essay, they have scored like marks in 40s in CSS essay, which it's pretty hard to understand. Then when choosing optionals, just have a look at the past papers for at least 10 years to see if there's a pattern of repeating topics. For example, I being a CS graduate, I should have gone for computer science as an optional. I have a 4-year degree. Apparently I should have gone for it, but why didn't I go for it? I opted international relations instead because when I analyzed the past papers for the last 5 to 10 years, what I realized was that there was no pattern in the questions, which increased my difficulty for prediction of upcoming questions. So what you need to understand is just look at the past papers, look at the questions, and just assess yourself in relation to those questions. Like, can you attempt questions that are over there? And then again, when you look at 10 years, you will find a pattern of repeating topics. You will find a pattern. And just choose subjects to be safe that have a pattern in their question papers. And lastly, what you need to do is, when choosing subjects, just keep your own self in mind. Every person has an aptitude towards preparation. There are smart workers, there are hard workers. So if you're a smart worker and you want to choose a subject which doesn't require you to memorize lots and lots of stuff, you just need a basic knowledge and you can expand it on your own with open-ended answers. For example, journalism, gender studies, just with the basic compared to other subjects, a minimum knowledge depending on how you gain it and what kind of information you gather, how well the quality of it is. You just need a basic set of information, and you can expand the answers based on that information, because facts and figures is what makes your answers stand out. So I hope I answered the most common question, and I hope it helps you.